Hi, I'm Jimmy. Today I would like to show you how to make Namtok. Namtok is a grilled pork salad. I have about 200 grams of the pork meat here. First, I will marinate it with some pepper, just a little bit of salt, about half teaspoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce. Just give the pork a bit of flavor when you grill it. I'm gonna use my hand to massage it, make sure everything's mixed. I think that's okay. I'm going to cover it up and I'm going to leave it in the fridge for about an hour. Alright, time for me to grill the pork to make namtok. The pork that I marinate earlier is, there. I have this grilling pan. Make sure it's hot. I don't use any oil or anything at all. A little bit hot now. Just going to grill it. That sound, that's when it's hot. I just want to brown it on both sides. So now while I'm waiting for the pork to get browned, I'm going to start to do the other ingredients. So let's see what ingredients I have here. Spring onions, coriander, coriander, shallots, rice powder, chili powder, lime juice, minced leaves, and fish sauce here. Right, I'm going to start with chopping of this, what's that called? Spring onions. I can smell the pork. I'm going to pile it back there, and this brown bit, I take it out. Roughly chopped coriander as well. And the root, I'm going to smash again. I'm going to use it again. Don't waste anything here. Coriander. So if you don't have saw coriander, it's okay. Just leave it out. No problem. The main ingredient is the minced leaf and rice powder. Okay, let's come have a look at the pork now. That's it, nice and brown. We grill it until the pork's almost done, not completely cooked. And back to my slicing and chopping. I like a lot of shallots in my namtok. Done. Back into the little bowl. You can see the smoke coming up from the pork. Let's see if it's ready. I think it's ready now. I'm going to turn the gas off and I'm going to take it out and slice it. That's off now. I'm going to use the fork. Take it out. slice it. Turn the other way. That way is along the grain. I'm going to cut across the grain to make the meat tender. That one. There you can see that one. I'm going to turn it over. So that one's done, and the next one. Cut in half first. Don't get it too thick, otherwise the seasoning will not get into that one. A bit choppy. All done. Now I'm going to move this out of my way. Saucepan back in here. I'm going to scoop the pork into the saucepan. And the gas on. And I'm going to add a little bit of water in there. Slightly more water. So this is coriander root that I left it earlier. So just drop it in there to give a nice fragrance. So now it start to hot through and boiling. So I just want the pork to get cooked a little bit more. We don't have to cook so much. And now you don't see any more pink there. That should be ready. I'm going to turn the gas off. And the seasoning in the rice powder, shallots, and fish sauce, leave it there, you can see. Lime juice. Kind of mixed, tossed it together. You mix the dry ingredients first and then put the fresh herbs afterward. I forgot the chili. How much chili you want? Just tiny bit, okay? Like that? Fine. A bit more. Okay. We can add it more, you like some more spicy. So just like that. Sprinkle the mint leaf. Leave some for later. It's ready. Smells so good. Next, I'm going to put it on a plate and serve it straight away.